I create a dashboard in 1 minute using Python. Most people think dashboards take hours to build. Let me prove them wrong. First, we import Dash along with HTML and core components. With a single line, we initialize our Dash application. Next, we define the layout. I add a main heading that says Hello Dash, followed by a short description explaining what Dash is. Now comes the interesting part, the graph. Using Dash's built-in graph component, I create a bar chart with simple sample data. No JavaScript, no HTML files, everything stays inside Python. I add 2 datasets to the chart so it looks clean and informative, and I give it a title to make it feel like a real dashboard. Finally, I run the app in debug mode. As soon as I open the browser, the dashboard is live and fully interactive. That's it. A working Python dashboard in under 1 minute. Simple, fast, and powerful.